one thing about me, angiyithandi light. Mangilala, ngize kunento engithinta so. Like, ithi so efacing like ngisandla ngifingers ngiyazi ukuthi like zifingers zomuntu lezi. Light i-flash phone like so. Nothing. Ngiphinde ngizidlalele. Mangisengilele still kunento engidonsa engidonsa inyaweni like to the point ukuthi ngiyamove embedeni ngiyashelela embedeni. Ngiyazizwa nami ukuthi like sengimuvile from my pillow like ikhanda lisekho kwipillow. And like ngiba nama visions weird ngibona abantu bashonile like my family members eshonile ngomba like kwenzeka ntoni iba worse ngivule lapha iphile ngenza our father. Mayithi 12:15 yangikhama into so like to the point ukuthi I could feel ilwimi lami lithusta lesenza so ngizibheke kwimirror mangithi face yami like iso like this side librophile manje masesihamba ngiyaziza ukuthi angisakhona ukukhuluma ngiyakhuluma but like ngiyastutterisha manje ukukhuluma if ngifuna ukuthi sine like ukuba umuntu astutterisha imekhuluma mhlawumbe like
Bafethu sanibonani lapha emakhaya sanibonani Bafethu sanibonani once again Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show. It is what it is Bafethu. That's why you're locked in Bafethu. Thank you so much for choosing us. As I always say with Bafethu, there's so many podcasts out there. Yeah, siyakravula, siyaphanda, siyakhobuluza, siyazama Bafethu. But you know what? You've decided to choose the Soweto Podcast. So we just want to say thank you so much for that, Bafethu Siyanqanywa. We know that you love us so much. Guys, I'd like to say the Soweto Podcast Bunosipho Hotel. So yeah, on a personal capacity, I really appreciate the love that you're showing on the streets, at home. Yeah, I know it overwhelms me. So yeah, but one thing that I can say is just to say thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so moved to the limelight and the whatnot, but hey, sometimes nyasaba ngivele ngichope, putwe ipogo, hey, uvele ngislice okugcina. But nonetheless, Bafethu, you know what? On a personal level, I really appreciate the love. I truly do. So yeah, please guys, just continue to support us so that we can grow to reach greater heights more than this. Yeah, we are in no competition with anyone. We're just flying on our own. We're flying like eagles. We're doing what we do best, which is to show that you guys, that you've been supporting us. You're doing a great job. Sibambisene Tina Nan Bafethu. So we really appreciate it. As a Soweto Podcast, we really appreciate it. There's the same level of gratitude, Bafethu. I send it to you. So yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, Bafethu. Yeah, let us know what you think of our stories, share our stories. Yeah, contradict them, Bafethu, as you always do. So we really like to say thank you so much. So Bafethu, don't you go no. Petty sister lam vandaag, let us say go to Spartan and vandaag. I know our stories are tight. Pickens and lente by kuma lavan. It is good to sister petty doesn't confuse or it. All that I can say naming fun and muzamang realize to go to yo sister some var. So yeah, let's say go to sister Spartan language as so. Right? I nam appeal. Yeah. Red Uber famous.
Ufuna famous.
Ufuna famous. Sekulate siswami. Sekulate. Bheka you're international sithando sami yabo. eChina bazakwazi xa ufika pha eChina bazakwazi siyama we know this sister. Okay, so all right, God.
No,
it's good to have you in the show. How did you know about Soweto Podcast?
Ngabona i-podcast famous episode famous asiphi.
Okay.
Yeah.
When was this? When did you see it?
Last year. Yeah, ngibona last year. Asiphi then. Nintombazana mara bese umntwana kahle abese ngane sithi jaha ngama ghost ibhoko kahle wangine toilet so wethu lo uthi zanyamalala from lapho yeah
no what was Moshel
yeah
okay asishena we know who you're talking about. Okay, so no, it's good to have you on the show. All right man, let us continue. So tell us ba wena ngubani uphuma phi and yeah ukhuluma nabo bani ukhule kuphi. Just to get a background of what yourself.
Okay, igama lami ngingu-Azudile. Ngikhulele e-Eastern Cape eBalawet.
Okay.
Ngikhule ngingumntwana oyi-1 endlini.
Okay.
Then bekunomalume mara besemdala malume wami because abese high school. When I was doing grade 1 or 2, something lab. Then ngahamba ngayohlala nomalume wami eGqeberha for like 3 years. Then ngaphila ngabuya again. I feel like the reason ngangibuyile ukuthi is because ngangijwayele ukuthi like ngiyi-1. Okay. So the time ngiseGqeberha kwakunabantwana and like angijwayela ngaleyo nto. Ngathi I'm going back. Ngihlala nogogo wami. Then ngahlala nogogo until grade 12. Then 2021 ngeza the side.
Okay.
eJozi ngazohlala nomama. Then from there since ngihlala nomama.
Is it? Umntana onjani nje wona?
Yo.
Okay.
Le question is difficult but like gogo wami besithi ngumntana ongalaleli mangikhula. Yeah, uthi nginenkani into enjalo. But angisekho njalo.
Ngesixhosa mabathi nenkani uyadelela bathini?
Yo.
Anze yini?
Bathi nenkani.
Inkani? Khona nendwendo yini? Undwebile.
Yeah.
Yini?
Undwebile unjengo. Yeah, undweba kuphapha. Yeah, andwebanga.
Awundweba?
Andweba njengoba ngikhuluma too much.
Guys, I've learned something. I'm like, okay, so no, I got you.
Andwebanga.
Yilo putesebenza nayo undwebile. Okay,
example esharp.
Example perfect.
Perfect.
Let us get into it, sister. Why are you here today?
Oh, okay. So mna 2024 after college. Ngahamba ngohlala eBhenoni because like side of family yami eseBhenoni. Ubhuti wami uhlala eBhenoni. So ngahamba ngaye eBhenoni. For leyo vikinyana because bengenza up and down from Brandfontein to Benoni because bengenza next sharp. So wabe intombi kabhuti wami iplane i-pajama party because abe birthday yangi 27-28 October lapho ne. Okay sharp. Ngichazele kubhuti bhuti kusona so. Ngihlanganisele ngemali because I'm doing nothing. Obviously mina ngisiza somewhere anginikeza imali ubhuti abe ethi usine ngicela zenele brief igama lakhe because angikhulumanga naye yeah. So athi sine no manazo ngiplane something namangani bami eBhenoni ngile maflesh aseBhenoni so yebo uzobhuka then silapho for the night for i-pajama party. It was on Saturday sharp Saturday ngihambe vele siye kube mnandi sidlala ama games nani so masibuya angazi bandisho lento like ngangisexesheni.
Okay.
Yeah, ngangisexesheni so like le felt sikuyo I was not comfortable with like ngishiye my things yeah. So ngiwathathe ngiwafaka eplastikini ne masihamba noma saphuma le ngabo 10 to 11 ebusuku sibuyela back iflat like so ngilithathe mina ngilifake edustbin ngaphandle esiradweni yabo eBhenoni sharp. Sifike efletini lakhe silale ekuseni sivuke sihambe mangifike endlini ngibuyele back endlini mina the following day ne following morning mangifike endlini akunabhuti like cause that time ngihlala nobhuti I was the only girl ngubhuti kunjabulo noNqobile na 13 Njabulo na 17
amajita
abo senzile insizwa sharp mangifika akunamuntu ubhuti ahamba ke uyahamba ubhuti wami so akunamuntu okay sharp and mina ngithi nibabhalaza ngiziphethe lezi ibhabhalaza yafika ngiyaxoxanyana ngiyageza ngoba ngabo 12 ngilale yabona ngivuke phanga bo 5 mangivuka ubhuti sebuyile vele athi awupheki ngivuke ngipheke nyana leyo nto but ngizizwe manje still ukuthi like yes angikho sharp ngithi ayobhabhalaza le ibhabhalaza aw like so like ngilale for almost like 4 hours but still masengivuka angikho sharp ngithi kanjani ngisharp ngithenga ama cold drink negrandpa but like ngiyazizwa like kuze ungathi suffocated yeah sha okay sharp ngingayinaki vele ithi maybe nginenyongo bese ithi ubhuti wami vele athi into niyiphuzayo ukutshela befake usho ubhuti wami sharp ngingamnaki ubhuti ahamba eRomini. It was Sunday. Yeah, because Monday yakhona besemsebenzini uNqobile sesikoleni. So Sunday uNqobile ayengene eRomini lakhe unjabula ke kusesiwadweni. Nami ngingene eRomini lami. Mina one thing about me angiyithandi light. Like endlini bayazi if like ngihlele ngiyi1 it's either ngizolight iTV light like angiyithandi. Mangifike eRomini lami same thing I switch off the light ngidlalela i-podcast. Mangile podcast ngiyazi ukuthi like ngiyasha and manje umbhede wami uso there like i-window lana. So ngithi angivula i-window because like ngiyasha and the way ngisha ngakhona ayikho normal. Okay sharp manje ngizumeka maybe ngilale for 2 minutes but manje ngivuka ngiyazizwa man like ukuthi still angikho sharp. Okay sihambe isikhathi vele sorry mangilala ngize kunento engithinta so like ithi so efacing like ngisandla ngifingers ngiyazi ukuthi like zifingers zomuntu lezi ngilite i-flash phone like so nothing ngiphinde ngizidlalele mangisengilele still kunento engidonsa engidonsa inyaweni like to the point ukuthi ngiyamove embhedeni ngiyashelela embhedeni ngiyazizwa nami ukuthi like sengimuvile from my pillow like ikhanda lisekho kwipillow ngithi kanjani ngivale i-window ngilight WhatsApp Njabule Joe sibizana Chomi ke thina lithi Joe meza ngikhona ukulala la kusona sona so athi njengoba ambolala erumini ngaNqobile mandiyolala noNqobile ne shab masengivuka ngiyazizwa ukuthi like ngidry like my throat like ngidry ngiphuza amanzi noba ngibesha for like 2 seconds but still ngiphinde ngibethe ukuzizwa kumagijima then be dry la yeah I felt like that ngiphinde ngiphuza amanzi mangifike erumini ngaNqobile ngiyahamba ngithatha ijug ngikhe amanzi then ngibeke next to my bed ngithathe iBhayibheli ngifike ngivule because ngiyazizwa ukuthi like ayisawubhabhalaza lina yabo sharp ngivule iBhayibheli uNqobile mangifika ulayite ilight ngithi angelayi mangingayiswitch off le light mangilale ngoku like ion mangithi ngiyalala angikhona ukulala ilight on mangithi ngiyalala akulaleki like iyashisa ngilayite light ngimayizise ngefone ukuthi like maybe ngihambise isikhathi yabona okay sharp mangilala vele ngichange iposition angisho bese like umbhedo kaNqobile uso amakhanda aba kwa the side then so ngichange iposition too
okay
yeah
flip up ngilale kanje
yeah ngilale so but ngiyazizwa ukuthi still like angikho sharp and like ngiba nama visions weird ngibona abantu bashonile like my family members eshonile mhlawumbe like kwenzeka ntoni ayisho ndihamba kuphi St John's so St John's angisho mos bakunikeza amanzi nani nesiwasho zokugeza yabo ngithatha lesa siwasho because like ngidry lana ngithatha lesa siwasho ngisixubise lana ukuthi nami kuzokwenza kanjani kosiza kanjani like andazi but like ngesithatha like nesithambisa so okay sharp noba mayizithi 10 past 12 this is good like lento like iba worse ngivuke ngivule la iBhayibheli ngenza our father mayithi 12 yangikhama into so like to the point ukuthi I could feel ilwimi lami lithusta lesenza so but nje like sithu noNqobile endlini la ehousing unjabula ke kubhudisa erumini and manje ngibambe lana angikhona ukukhuluma because ilwimi lami like liya twister uNqobile ulele flat so ngimdonse so like nginyawo avuke athi yini sho ngithi like angikhona ukukhuluma ngithule but like ngibambe la ngithi so siphume simasiphuma siyaphuma sagijima sivule eminyango siye erumini kabhuti mangiphumela ngaphandle ngize like ukuthi like there is a difference ukuthi akusenanto like engibambile yabona but kuyavakala ukuthi like bekwenzekela something sakokota abuza ubhuti kwenzakalani ndithi mina ke ikhona into engikhamayo endlini nani ubhuti wami kangithathe serious ke angazi why ngithi ikhona like into engikhamayo endlini angazi kwenzakalani ubhuti lalani la ahambe ade nozoyolala ehousing masifika erumini noNqobile sorry erumini kabhuti athi uNqobile ayisho masingalali because what if lento iphinde yakufikela again mangiyilo umuntu yesikolweni sharp sihleli and nama sakhona ukulala manje ngiyabhizi ngiyaWhatsApp abangani bami but guys kusona so yabo so uNqobile vele agcina azumeke nami like I feel like ngigcine ngazumeka ekameni kwesikhathi ngaba ngizovuka ngabo 7 so uNqobile sithi shomi yahamba mina ngesikolweni sharp unjabula ngishakeko like le una 17 my cousin ina 17 ubhuti emsebenzini so manje ngisele ngiyi1 luckily kunabantu abarendayo so khona umfana yeah andizibize igama khona umfana ehlala naye li aberend bingumngani wami because like bengihlezi ngiaround Muslim so uyambuza ukuthi because ngivule isivalo erumini kabhuti iroom like lethu kabhuti ngivule isivalo but like ngihleli le phakathi erumini athi wena waquiet so because yabonakala ingathi awukho kwenzakaleni le ebuya khona because mawukhona kunerasi la ngithi angozapho man yabo so abebuza kwenzakalani ngimchazele so abuza athi uzohlala la until when because nami ngiyahamba I'm going to ifamily yami because ngi-off namhlanje I'm like ngiyasaba nokuya endlini like ndiyi1 ndithi mina yazini ngikhaphe ngothatha into zami zokugeza then ndibuye la erumini kabhuti athi okay sharp athi uzodlani ngithi mina angazi apheke then angiphakele apheke like ipapa abangani mabayazi ipapa ngifuni but like I feel like ngeleso sikhathi ngangena choice yabona ngidle le papa but after ngidle ngizwe ukuthi like ihlele la like some of the food kwehlile but kunye kusalele lana okay sharp ngingayinaki onza sho into esinathi ngifake umunwe yabo then iphume back okay sharp unjabula buye la bekhona athi cho ngenzakalani ngimchazele kusona so abesithi uyahamba yena uya endaweni esona okay before unjabula mangithi ngiyalala ngiyazumeka ngiyala because angilalanga properly mosebusuku so ngisakhathele mangithi ngiyalala ngiyizwa lento like yangibamba like emini and then I was like ngitshela unjabulo vele unjabula fonela mama ngumama kabhuti wami mara ngithi mama kuyi yeah unjabula fonela mama mama kusona so abe esithi mama hayibo kanjani umusa wayimusa angasho because bebesebenza that time besebenza endaweni eyi1 So besithi ubhuti ba lo angisho ubhuti wami like uyatswafa ngasho kanjalo. So maye unento ukuthi mayiwashi impahla azithathe uzibeke eroomini lakho after seziclean usofa usonga zibisele obroken. So mina I had that thing ukuthi konjabulo gijimani uyothi ngifeyintile mayifika eroomini ngithi thatha impahla. So I think that's the reason ukuthi like angangithathanga serious yabona. Okay sharp ebhuti abuye emsebenzini vele still the same athi unjabulo mangilale naye eroomini yabona sharp vele nabona mangilele ngiyazizwa ukuthi like ngosharp vele mayithi quarter past ngiphinde le nto ngibambe but like at this point 12:15 this was Monday midnight yeah ngibambe futhi mangizwa ngiyazizwa like ngenza so unjabulo yavuka ethunga ukuthi ayisho ngikwenzakalani vele ngithi andoda lento iphinde ngibambe but mayingibamba manje akusafana kudala like the first time ibingibamba iyangibamba but like khona ukubamba lana angani ukuthi okay overpower kanjani mangibambe lana but like like kuba ne difference mangibambe lana yabona. Okay sharp Tuesday ekseni ifike into ngabhuti cause onjabula ngisho baye esikoleni nobhuti ngemsebenzi so ifike into ngabhuti cause ba avoid into ukuthi like ngisale ngiyi-1 ifike into ngabhuti sihambe sekwa doctor masifika kwa doctor before ekseni ngizibheke kwi-mirror mangithi face yami like iso like this side lidrophile. I feel like ngani bangibonisa but it's gonna be difficult ukuthi ngibone cause awungijwayelanga like the side lidrophile yabona. Mangisho kubo ngithi ama guys angikhosha bhekani iface yami so I felt like ukubona bayasaba ukuthi uso vele like bayibona but basaba ukungitshela.
So they saw that what you were saying.
Yes bayibona because mangiphume esitradweni ngihamba nosine ngibuzile before ngiphume naye ngithi sine uyayibona face yami mara ukuthi njani athi sharp Superman asambe
mara yakubona ukuthi
yeah
or otherwise
yes manje lasigibela khona sidlule shop khona eminye umfana sesiplatweni uthi show mina mengibiza athi show me u10 waso ngibheke usine athi intombazana oyebona nje wenithetha ngoku nezingathi bengihlanye. Okay sharp mase sifika le like masifika kwa doctor vele udoctor ngidiagnose athi ngine Bell's palsy la nto yenziwa yini bathi inflammation kwi facial nerve system and manje manje masesihamba ngiyazizwa ukuthi angisakhona ukukhuluma ngiyakhuluma ne but like ngiyastutterisha manje ukukhuluma if ngifuna ukuthi sine like ukubona into stutterisha imekhuluma mhlawumbe like kanjani sana. Okay sharp afike then udoctor angibhukhe athi uzoya kwi-physio nani into enjalo yabo. Sorry sharp anginikeza amapilisi ngamaningi labo kula mapilisi bengiphuza 12 a day and after like ngiphuzela ngiphuza once ngiphuza la 12 same time. So after ngiphuzela 12 ngivele ngibe dizzy bengathi ukubona uma udakiwe la mdako uthi mawungena ebhedini ibhedi yaspina yeah bengimanjalo mangena ebhedini ibhedi yaspina so befuna ngiphuzela amapilisi exactly mangizothi ngizolala kanjani uyabona. Okay sharp so umama phone ivela buziba azi nihambe njani nosine kwa doctor like usharp nani ngithi mama sonikeziwe amapilisi like into enjalo yabo into enjalo athi okay athi kusasa sasekhona izoba yi-Wednesday athi kusasa ubuye esontweni uye-St John's operator Wednesday and Saturday siya athi mama uvuke Saturday Wednesday uye esontweni manje like ngisesikhathini so eSt John's abakhona ukusiza properly ma usesikhathini.
Okay.
Yeah so ngivuka vele phumula bengithi like ngibona abantu bakudala abashonile nani cause even na vision yami ngibona ugogo umgogo wamoshonile like le vision yami uthi go back like uthi buyela kumakhulu wakho uthi buyela kunobonke umakhulu wami athi azukile buyela kunobonke so nami ndithi ngiyothini like ngistubborn mos nami ndithi ngiyothini nto nomama ungithumile athi ngithe buyela kunobonke then vele ngivuke kwenzeke lanto besenzeka so mangifika eSt John's vele ngiyafika umama ukhona wenza into zakhona ba okay vele le nto ibikufikile into bezokubulala because bekusuppose ba ushawe yi-heart attack suppose kahle ikufikele ulele so lezi zinto besenzeka before the whole thing le nto ubuyifila like ibingabantu bakini bakubuthi like sukulala because angisho ngithi bengifila kunento engithinta so kunento ezingidonsayo kanjalo so abesisho la mama no man izinto zakini nani because even nalogogo umunile if like ubuyelanga kule ndawo athi iya kuye because if ubulandele yena ubuzoshona because ushonile yena uyabona into enjani so lo mama ke anginikeze imithi sorry So lo mama anginikeze imithi amayeza okuphuza nani athi zephinde ngibuye maningekho sesikhathini like Saturday yakhona azongifaka ebhafini lezo zakhona. So from there bengasakhona ukulala for like a week bengasakhona ukulala. If ngiyalala ngiyayazi ukuthi 12:15 sizawushuka. Kufuneke like athi umbani unqobile athi Zubra masingalali ahleni 12:15 at least if 12:15 ube uhleli so that if something happens it's like at least like yabo ngihleli. And then Saturday again ngaya esontweni bangifaka ebhafini. Then from that Saturday kukhona lapho kuthiwa like ndaqala ukulala kahle like ubuthongo uyazi kuthiwa ulale umuntu ulale njengomntwana angavuki from then since ke ngamani siya Ireland bani siya St John's bani siya St John's then until ndaba sharp. Then even that doctor cause I were booked for next year or I mean for last year January fees, but then mangibona ukuthi vele ngenzeni in the meantime on the face so that izokhuphuka kancane yabo. So let's the story sami.
So kahle you've been attacked in nightmare. Nightmare is that what it's called? Nightmare.
Yeah. But I don't think here because nakman ibamba mawulele. But like kunakman angisho khona ukukhuluma like uthukise kwenza kunakman ithuki because mina into eyangimangaza ukuthi like ngibambe like ngihleli and ilwimi lami la twist so like to the point ukuthi angikhona ukukhuluma even namanje ngiyastatarisha mangikhuluma before ngisho something like
right after that that day.
Yes. Ngiyastatarisha and like amanye amagama sakhona kuwa pronounce. Sorry like mangikhuluma nje bakhona kumele ngicabange yabona ukuthi ngicale ngilipractice in my head legama ngizo let's say if ngizothi ngobile kumele ngiqale ngithi ngobile like then so that izokubona ukuthi like ngizolikhipha kahle or kanjani na because sometimes vele ngiyakhuluma but igama livele lithi short left.
So this is from 2024
November.
And then esikolweni busukhopha njani?
Esikolweni angisho bese ngiqede April esikolweni 2024. So that year from April to December I was doing nothing. Bengihleli nje ngingimahlalela.
And then how are you coping with day-to-day life?
Ngagena if ngabonisa lesa sithombe ningamangala cela ngifilifoni ngibonisa. Like ngagena to the point ukuthi nokho kwama ngifike emakhaya December wathi the way ugene ngakhona ngathi like ngiyabonga engathi ungumuntu ohlanyayo.
So were you eating too much now?
I was not eating too much because during the process angisho ukudla khumula ngithi umngane wami waphaka ipapa mara ayehlanga yes. So that moment umama bengithela amafewu okanye in yogurt.
So bad combination. Yogurt.
So I usually befuna like in the smooth so that izokwehla la because and then after that I notice then abuyela back to Randfontein to my mom. Mangifika Randfontein I think abuya on a Sunday. On Monday yakhona mangifika. Monday yakhona mangivuka ekseni. Yazi ngathi nginento elana. Ngifaka umunwe so ngithi maybe ngizophalaza so but like nix akuphumi next to the point ukuthi ngathatha camera like iflash nespeed ngathi mangithi kunanto la evala kunento ekuthiwa yini epiglottis ivala ikunipipe mawusidla something like that. Ayama ivulekile ibonakala lana. And ingathi ukubone mawukudla ngehlanga kahle kunento la. Yes, nahlala So ngihlezi ngiphuza amanzi asheshayo but nix akwenzekala nix until the point ukuthi ngibone this year vele ukuthi like ivele ya disappear out of the blue like azange phinde sayibona because mangithe so ibonakala and I feel nami ukuthi like kunento mandlana manje ngiyehlisa ngamanzi ashesayo ukuthi likely maybe izokwehla by like izokwehla but like for all nix.
Okay, so you going through all of this in the process your spirituality sakho besenjani? Were you going to church? Were you prayerful?
Bengithandaza vele bengihleli ngisiya St John's lengihambayo.
So it just disappeared on its own?
It disappeared like this year. Mangibuye emakhaya this January ngiyasho man ukuthi no man angisafeel the way ngangifila ngakhona like 2024 and last year like ayisekho.
Did they explain esontweni by intoni? As I'm saying, in most cases we know with this thing it's inachmir. And then in your case,
esontweni la mama wathi le nto kufikele ngiyinto ibizokubulala vele because uthi suppose bayangishaya maybe ngane heart attack in my sleep then kube uphelile ngami like kanjalo nje. Yeah, washo kanjalo.
So, but now what made it to disappear? Did you know, or did she give you stuff to drink?
Yeah, unginikeze into zokuphuza then nami bengiyazi ukuthi after a certain time I go back to esontweni ngiyongena ebhavini yolanda amanzi izwasho into ezinjalo.
So that helped you got
Yeah, like ingisizile one day shame. And during the process angisho bengihleli nje ngaze ngathola nomsebenzi cabanga ngathi yazi maybe be lucky yami ukuthi ngigule. Usho ukuthi ngizoqashwa kanjalo. Nasi lese system. Uyabona ukuthi like ngakanani lapho. To the point
yo, this is you.
This is me. And then amang fika emakhaya bathi ugogo wami you need to lose weight because the way ungakhona ingathi ungumuntu one Down syndrome the way nonengakhona. Yebo.
So this way in manje.
It's him.
Oh, shame.
And into engimangaza ukuthi like bengingadli too much during the process but like the way ngigcine ngakhona like it was not normal. Mangizibheka esipilini bengigoba every day.
Okay. So yakise chimini lo mzimba.
Wangimotivate kahle then kosuke lapho uthi ngiyeke utshwala iacid ngizibeke aside for a while.
So it only attacked you. Amajita nothing whatsoever.
Nix fuck all. Atake mina ngiyi-1 and in my mind I was like maybe ngalama pad ngiwalahle eBinoni maybe yazazi kuthiwa intombi zama-Nigeria ama-pad nana because eBinoni most igcwele ama-Nigeria. So in my mind I was like maybe ngalama pad ngafaka edustbin kwama-Nigeria like eBinoni or kanjani like sengizibuza i-question nami ngingakhona ukuziphendula but like kase kanjani. Then I was like hayi man shuthi umuntu ufika wavumbula i-dustbin because bengiwafaka eplastikini ngawafaka i-dustbin shuthi umuntu ufika wavula i-dustbin wathatha wawenza into zakhe but like not so fast so kanjani.
But that thing did come to your mind.
Yeah, ifikile vele mqondithi because nama ngikhuluma nomngane wami ngithi mabili but if ngalama phethe ngalahle le vele eBinoni abantu bathatha benza like umuntu waphefuma izinto zakhe ngemaphethe wami. So it was leyo nto nje.
Yo. So now at this point in time how's your state? How's your
angisharp I won't lie. Ngisharp besides ukuthi ngiyastutterisha in but like ngisharp kancane I'm getting there. Because even my face better manje but umuntu ongijwayele uyangibona ukuthi like ikhona difference anyana ngisekho like before.
Ama-specs bodo wafaka or ufake
ama-specs mina I always had eye problem mangikhula ne but like after ngi-attack leyo nto this eye kahle like saqala ubona blurry so that's why I got ama-specs and nami bengibona ukuthi ngibona blurry until ngiye kwini into yasemsebenzini ze-medical nani ngabona lapho ukuthi okay I have a problem like the problem is serious vele.
So this thing only affected you in terms of your physical health.
Yes.
But mental-wise?
Mentally, bengigowa just because bengigainile, but after ngiluzile, ngingasho pause mina azange ngagaina in my life. Like this is my normal weight. So just imagine mangizogcoka u-36. And ngizokujwayela ukugcoka u-30, 32, mangizogcoka u-36. Yo, and that's why but after ngiluzile, ngingasho.
So you're not
depressed.
Nayibona ne-depression namntase ithina lento leyalaba no trauma labantu laba narcissist kanje you don't have those people. The next thing you are like that, the next thing hey you take over. You know I always hear about people who are narcissist and I'm like hey
no
but you don't deal with narcissists. No, I'm saying there's people that are narcissistic, but yeah, they always schizophrenic and it has to do with mental condition. So in narcissist, they are about to that, like, you know what, also manipulator, bipolar, disorder. Narcissist no indabila uzokumanipulate.
Yeah.
Ufuna ungibulala wena ungisupporti. Yeah, like narcissist that. Yabo yonke into it's about them.
Yeah.
Uhlala blame wena. So you never had such problems.
No, azange ngithi ngiblame umuntu okanjani. Ngabe ngathi mina I believe kunento if into kumele yenzeke kuwe ngileyo nto mina. And angisho uyabona mosama lama episodes weSokoto podcast. Amanye vele uziquestion ukuthi vele into esayenzeka. Then after that makwenzeke into kum ngathi okay. Into kumele uyilinde ize kuwe to the point ukuthi uyibelieve 100%.
No, Siso, you're not the only one. We get that all the time. People don't believe, but people back.
Yeah, because ezinye izinto vele uziquestion ukuthi vele into so ikhona okanjani.
Yeah, no, we couldn't be that super creative to sustain ourselves till this long.
Yeah.
Creating such stories. They will get to a point where we're going to burn out. Had we started to do such things? So no, we don't have that gift of creating such things. People can see. It's just that it's difficult to believe when things are not happening to you.
Yeah, very
until it happens, then you realize, good name, man, come on. I thought there's no way good lento lengayenze. Chola kanjani isipoko for 3 months. Awusibonweni ukuthi isipoko. You understand? Mohamba kule moto uhamba ngayisika nani shasha. Mina ngivele ngilahle utshowa awuthiyami.
Yeah.
Khona awuthiyami ata awuthiyami yazi in fit. Ayikho into engizoyiringa nawe kawo. Nangu sister basazuza. Uzokholwa ngelinye ilanga uzobuhleli lapha.
Esechaza yena.
Yeah, azokuexplain ngizontshela babukeli ukhona ati ngikhomba everything ukuthi ngidlala ngani I'm insulting you. So mbekele somvisa azon insult sisonke. So yeah, look, nonetheless, all that is important is that you're well.
Yeah.
That you're well. But more than anything, I don't know, what have you learned when into your situation? What did you come out of it? Maybe if there's something you might say, maybe seeking the awareness.
Yeah.
Because you know what's my concern, to be quite frank and honest with you now, is the condition that it has left in terms of your health-wise. Now you're stuttering. Now, that is important. There's something that it took away from you. Probably could have done more worse. And I was asking with regards to your mental status, but are you stable? You don't find yourself with, hey man, yazi nginokufika ngathi ngiyahlanya sika. Yabo anyandrinya ungangiboni ngihleli. Ziyaduma la ukuthi yabona no ngigrand ngithatha amapilisi. Mangathathanga ntwana ngakudumela namanje. Yabo. So we go such, but it's difficult ukuthi umuntu ohlanya mina ngiyahlanya. I understand. So the hands ngisho ukuthi the way probably there might be some awareness if you might have learned something from your situation.
Yeah, but like after this whole thing, then you notice a change ngam ukuthi ngikwata fast these days. But like ngiyakhona maintain this is not myself. Angibuyele back and become. But uthola ukuthi ngikwatisa into encinci nje, like even a small argument ngivele ngikwate ngithi yo Jesu I want to kwenzakalani. Because like this, even my previous ex-boyfriend abe short as like uchangile after the whole thing. Because manje so ngumuntu okwata fast. But like ngiyakhona ukuzimaintaina, but sometimes angekho khona ukuzicontrola forever. Sikhona manje ama situations okubona ukuthi la angeke ngikhona ukuzicontrola, but into nginothisa ukuthi ngikwata fast. But I'm working on that ukuthi like ngilungise.
What are you doing?
Yes.
In terms of working on that? What is it
I'm
exactly?
speaking with someone.
Oh, you're going some counseling or something. Okay, cool. Okay, so no, it's as long as you are doing something about it.
Yeah.
And moreover, your mental state for me is more important. Understand? Okay, the emotions, if you can deal with them. That is why I pose the question, are you thinking clear?
Yeah.
Are you okay? And then, hey, I want to mama quarter fast. We are angry.
Ne?
Tina, as people in general, you can ask my guests, they'll tell you, we are angry. We are one munta quarter wood mamshang pop. Umuntu athi pop yo umuntu athi utela ba etha utela ba mfana manje kumele umuntu abhode ngokuthi kuphi. So we're on that stage where people are so angry. I think this is the discussion, guys, that we need to discuss about it at some stage in time. They say angry ngakhona. Hey, say kuno wrong kakhulu, no. Bafethu mele silungise lena before it gets out of hand. Bafethu mele silungise on a serious note. Sisomsiyabonga. Thank you so much for coming through to the show. Yes, Hatebe,
just one question. Ekhaya bareacte kanjani le ndaba le-COVID? Ngikhumbula ukuthi ubhuti wakho akazabelieve and stuff.
Umamami, like my biological mom, not umamami kophuda. Umamami uyimangele vele ukuthi like kwenzakaleni ntombazana, like yini eniphuzile, maybe into iphuzile yagcina ya lead to like kwenzeke this type of thing. So mama wayeshocked vele ukuthi like njani kanjani. Cacisa kahle like andiva le nto ithetha yamazambane because andiva le nto ithethayo cacisa ntombazana. That time you busy explaining but I understand ukuthi like enzeke kanjani.
So do you think she believed you or mhlambe njengoba kuza ukuthi into ephuzile maybe she thinks you saw this thing in your head, so lahlekele ingqondo. Do you think she believes you?
I think like maybe izinto zotshwala lezi zento bebezambile but as time goes by because abebona ukuthi kwenzakalani ngami because ngayengabuyela kuyi abebona ukuthi okay into sovele yenzakalile shab.
So naye umuntu hamba the same church
Yes.
nazange babiza isonto mhlambe uzoshaya something
No yimi vele bathi ngizele esontweni.
uzele.
Yes.
Phela enzakale lapha endlini.
Angisho ateke mina ngiyi-1 I would understand if like maybe ateke ngumuntu abese housing but ateke mina ngiyi-1.
And beqala kwenzakala into
Yeah beqala vele.
after that did something like this ever happen again?
No.
So niphila right pie house.
It's like so sharp because after yonke lento bengisaba nokubuyela to the room ukuthi ngiyolala kuye but manje ngiyalala. Like akunanix ngiyalala nje.
Yes, as a coach man, what is it that you don't like ngabantu bakwaXhosa?
Yo in
I've got my own perception ngabo like airport Vanda section. Ebafeta ngibona bayathi le mama uhamba nabantwana bakaba ithune. Tato Holman, lanto ndibonile mtshana. Yo. La mama ukrwada eva. Yo, the way she pulled to those kids. Ababiza ngenye umfana yazini. AbakwaXhosa ndiyanthanda asiyeke siswam ngasayiphendula. Suka apho. Bafethu lapha emakhaya. Usister wami bakwaXhosa bekakhona. Sicethile sirhe. Nyanqaya siphathe Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show. Bafethu, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, share our story. Let us know what you think about the stories kasisi. Nyanazi ke nina lapho bafethu nyanazi nizomngena sister. Nizomngena but nonetheless she's waiting for it. No sisonke bafethu please don't you stop supporting us. Please continue to do that. We really appreciate it. Bafethu, don't you go and stay safe. Bafethu njengoba sibona ukuthi umkhankasi nana and I always say bafethu ukuthi the issue of being cautious where you are, what you do, whether you're Uberizing and everything, your safety is of very great importance to us. Please be safe wherever you are. Know where your children are. Don't be ignorant. Things are just getting worse by day. Getting worse by day, guys. So please, I'd like to say with all my heart, out of all respect and consideration, let us make sure that we know where our kids are. And please, guys, let us just be safe wherever we go. So Sipho Hatebe Paranormal Show. Sanibonga bafethu. We are out. Thank you, Siyabonga. Siyabonga. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Bonga.
Okay, then. Thank you. Hey, Anza.
Chaza,